Hey y'all, Ben here with Smith & Speed and Engineering. We've got something a little different for you today, abnormal from what we normally do, which is the Edge Products Evolution CS2. So this is for our diesel dually shop truck tow pig. So we wanted to be able to monitor engine functions, have a little bit of adjustability with some parameters, and also maybe give it a little bit of horsepower here and there. So we went to Edge, we got this, and we're ready to put it on. So some of the cool things you can do with this is obviously there are multiple tunes. There's a fuel mileage tune, there is a tow tune, and there is, I guess, a hot tune per se. So I think the tow tune is around 60 horsepower and the hot tune is like 120, I believe. So give it a little bit extra pep, which is never a bad thing. Really what we want to do is be able to monitor some of those engine functions, which that's what this is for. And then you can also do things such as a corrector speedometer for tire size, gear ratio. You can adjust some transmission parameters. One of the things I thought was cool is that you guys, with all of the emissions still on, just like us, we still have the DPF, the DEF, EGR and all that. So you can do a manual regen for your emission system, which is pretty neat. But also diagnostic trouble codes. So if you get a check engine light, you can go in, see what those are, clear those, etc. So a lot of cool things you can do with this. It's 50 state legal. We're ready to put it on the truck. So another thing we're gonna do is try to do some real world testing with this. We're not gonna put it on a dyno or anything like that, but we're gonna get a baseline 0 to 60. We're gonna time it bone stock like it is. We'll put it on the tow tune, we'll put it on the hot tune, and probably just all of them. So do the fuel efficiency tune as well, and just kind of see to the pants, as well as quantifiable time what that changes. Yeah, again, the main thing we want to do is be able to just check on all of the engine functions, diagnostics and so forth, exhaust gas temperatures, RPM, voltage, the load on the engine, transmission stuff. So it'd be nice to just be able to have that right there in our face so we can see it. You can see here, this is what comes in the box. You've got the actual tuner display right here. This is the mount, suction cup mount, so you can stick it to your windshield, or if you want to get fancy, you could probably have an A-pillar mount made. This is the communication cable. It's super easy. You just plug it in here, and then you plug it into your OBD2 port. So just kind of gotta hide this little wire as best you can, plug it in OBD2, and you're done. This is your communication and your power. You see it came with some zip ties, a manual, stickers for all you that love these. So yeah, that's it. One nice easy package, no tools required to install this thing. Give you some extra power, let you monitor what's going on with the engine, and then also, like I said, check on your diagnostic codes, manual regen of your emission system if you have that, and we are excited to get this on the truck. So let's read through this manual, let's go get it installed and go do some test hits on a closed course, obviously, with a professional driver, and see what this does. All right, the first thing you need to do is download the Edge software on your laptop, and then you take this, you plug it in, and make sure that the firmware is updated. So that's what we're doing now. All right, I guess we got lucky. It says here, there are no updates currently available. So we should be good to go. All right, so I got this thing installed yesterday, no problem. Suction cup mount to the windshield, run the wire down, plugged into the OBD2 port, get it cleaned up out of your way, and done. So let me show you these gauges, how I've got them configured. There's actually multiple different backgrounds and a bunch of different gauges that you can configure on this depending on what engine functions you want to monitor. All right, so here it is fired up. You can see on the screen, these are the gauges I got configured. You can see coolant temperature boost. I got the intake air temperature, engine oil temperature, and then the DPF load. Second screen, second set of gauges. I've got boost over here. I've got manifold absolute pressure and exhaust gas temperature. So I've already got this loaded into the economy tune. We'll show you real quick. You go there and you just go into programming, and you can see it's already on level 1 economy. So we'll go drive this thing, see how it feels, come back, and then again we'll load the tow tune, go drive it, and we'll load the race tune and go drive it and see what kind of times we get 0 to 60 and also just see what this thing feels like seat of your pants. So let's go check it out. All right, I'm in the truck, still stock, no tuner, programmer, anything on that. We're gonna go drive it down the road, get I guess a baseline hit, and see how this thing runs. And then we'll come back, install the tuner, and then go turn it up and see if it feels any faster. All right, here's our first run. The truck's pretty much up to operating temperature. This is a closed course with a professional driver, obviously. So here we go. Let's see what it'll do. This is the economy tune. We'll see what it does. Alright, I just got the level 2 tow tune flashed. You can see that 2 designates that up there. It did take about 12.5 minutes to do that, so don't get in any hurry. Don't expect it to happen just like that, but about to go drive this thing, see how it runs now. Alright, here's that tow tune. Alright, we got this performance tune loaded. Let's see how it runs. Alright, so I just got back from testing the Edge Evolution CS2 on our Power Stroke tow pig. Really could tell a difference between the really even the economy tune, the tow tune, and the performance tune. See your pants difference, 0 to 60, I feel like we have better times. I really enjoy that we can look at the diagnostics, and we can also see all the gauges, monitor all the engine functions, which is really nice. And then again, you can change it for the tire size. You can manually regen. So a lot of cool things about this. I'm glad we got it. We've got a 24-foot enclosed trailer right there, and then right behind it is a 48-foot enclosed, which we can haul 2 cars in. We'll hook this truck up to that, see how it does, and go from there. So appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll bring some more content for you soon.